Welcome to Auto In this video, I will show you how to pair your Bowers and Wilkins Px8 S2 headphones with gaming consoles like PS5 and Xbox.
For PS5, Step 1. Turn on your PX8 S2 headphones and enter pairing mode. Press and hold the Bluetooth button until the LED flashes. Step 2. On your C5, go to Settings Accessories, Bluetooth Accessories. Step 3. Wait for your S5 to detect Bowers and Wilkins Px8 S2. Step 4. Select the headphones to connect. For Xbox Series X and One. Step 1. Xbox consoles don't natively support Bluetooth audio. To connect Px8 S2, use a 3.5 mm audio cable. If your headphones have a wired option or a Bluetooth transmitter compatible with Xbox. Step 2. Connect the cable transmitter from the Xbox controller or console to your headphones. Step 3. Your Px8 S2 will now receive game audio from your Xbox.